अपने कमर को सीधा कर दें, आंखें बंद ही रखते हुए। स्पाइन स्ट्रेट कर दें, आंखें बंद रखेंगे। कंधे रिलैक्स कर देंगे, हाथों को अपने थाइस पे रख देंगे, बिल्कुल रिलैक्स्ड। कंधों को एकदम ढीला छोड़ देंगे। स्पाइन एकदम तनी हुई सीधी होनी चाहिए। अपना सिर एकदम सीधा होना चाहिए। उस बंदे के जैसे मैं चाहता हूं आपका सिर हो जैसे किसी नाव का खलासी सामने देख रहा है जब नाव चल रही है फुल स्पीड में, उसकी नजरें एक सेकंड के लिए भी वहां से हटती नहीं। और अब मैं चाहता हूं कि आप एक गहरी सांस अपने अंदर लें और अपनी स्पाइन के नीचे के भाग से अपनी सांस को ऊपर ले जाते हुए ऐसा सोचिए कि आप उस सांस को आपके सिर के टॉप के एरिया में भर रहे हैं। See the energy rising from the base of your spine and going to the top of your head. जैसे आप सांस अंदर लेते हैं, इस एनर्जी को आपके लोअर एब्डोमेन से राइज होते हुए ऊपर होते हुए आपकी चेस्ट से, छाती से, गर्दन से, आपके सिर से होते हुए आपके सिर के मेन भाग के ऊपर, टॉप ऑफ द हेड के ऊपर उस एनर्जी को फोकस होते हुए देखिए और सांस को रोक के रखेंगे। उस एनर्जी को बिल्डअप होने दीजिए। देखिए कि जैसे आप कितनी देर रोक रहे हैं वो एनर्जी अपने अंदर बढ़ रही है, बढ़ रही है, बढ़ रही है, बढ़ रही है, बढ़ रही है। और जैसे ही आप सांस छोड़ते हैं अपने शरीर को रिलैक्स कर दें। रिलैक्स। एक और धीरी गहरी सांस, आराम से, स्लो एंड डीप breath starting from the base of your spine and taking the energy towards your head. Completely take the energy towards the top of your head and focus it there, and now hold the breath and increase the tension of the energy. उस वाइब्रेशन को अपने पूरे सिर पे फैलते हुए देखिए। Connect to the consciousness now. और जैसे आप सांस छोड़े शरीर को रिलैक्स कर दें, आंखें बंद रखेंगे, जितना हो सकेगा उतना मिनिमम रिएक्टिविटी। Come on now, I want you to focus yourself completely on your breath. Minimum reactivity, minimum reactivity, minimum. एक और गहरी सांस अंदर लेते हुए अपनी एनर्जी को अपने बेस ऑफ स्पाइन से ऊपर ले जाते हुए अपने सिर के टॉप पे ले जाएं। सांस को रोकते हुए इस एनर्जी को बिल्डअप होने दीजिए। अपने मन को शांत कीजिए और धीरे से सांस छोड़ते हुए अपने शरीर को रिलैक्स करें। ना आपका एनवायरनमेंट बदलने वाला है, ना आपके आसपास के लोग बदलने वाले हैं, ना आपका रिलीजन बदलने वाला है, ना आपके जीवन में आप अपना चेहरा बदल सकते हो, ना और कुछ बदल सकते हो। जो चीज आप बदल सकते हो, जो आपके कंप्लीट कंट्रोल में है, वो है आपका स्टेट ऑफ माइंड। आई वॉन्ट यू टू कंट्रोल योर स्टेट ऑफ माइंड कंप्लीटली विद दिस ब्रीथ। एक और गहरी सांस अंदर लेते हुए अपनी एनर्जी को बेस ऑफ द स्पाइन से ऊपर ले जाएं, अपनी नेक से ऊपर, हेड से ऊपर और टॉप ऑफ द हेड पे ले जा करके, और सांस को रोके और इस एनर्जी को बिल्डअप होने दे। देखिए इस एनर्जी को एक्सपांड होते हुए शरीर को शांत कर दीजिए और सांस छोड़ते हुए अपने शरीर को धीरे से रिलैक्स कर देंगे। इस रिलैक्सेशन को अपनी बॉडी के अंदर फैलता हुआ महसूस करेंगे। The one thing you can control is reaction. Completely कंप्लीट। आपके रिएक्शन से ही आप अपने थॉट्स को पावर देते हो। अगर आप थॉट को रिएक्ट करना बंद करो, फिजिकली, फिजियोलॉजिकली, मेंटली, साइकोलॉजिकली, और मैं चाहता हूं आप उन चीजों को देखें जिन चीजों को आप सोचते हैं कि आप रिएक्ट किए बिना नहीं रह सकते। उन चीजों को देखें और ये देखें क्या आपको रिएक्ट करने पे मजबूर करता है। आपके अंदर का इंटरनल प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन, दैट पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन, दैट पर्टिकुलर circumstance that is going around। अगर एक आदमी जिसके कंट्रोल में पूरी कायनात है, जिसे पता है कि मेरे हर एक थॉट से मेरे जीवन पे क्या असर पड़ सकता है, क्या वो बंदा अपनी एनर्जी इन चीजों में वेस्ट करेगा? आज मैं चाहता हूं अपने आप से पूछिए, अपने अंदर जाइए, गो टू द ड्राइविंग सीट ऑफ योर माइंड नाउ। और एक और गहरी सांस अंदर लेते हुए अपनी सारी एनर्जीज को बाहर, जो एनर्जीज जा रही है, गुस्से में जा रही है, आंखों से जा रही है, कानों से जा रही है, नाक से जा रही है, सारी एनर्जी को खींचिए। शरीर के सभी कोनों से, सभी छेदों से एनर्जी को अंदर खींचते हुए कुछ एनर्जी को अपनी स्पाइन के ऊपर ले जाते हुए अपने हेड पे फोकस कीजिए और इस एनर्जी आज उस कंट्रोल वाले आदमी को दीजिए जो प्रेजेंट में एक्शन लेने वाला है। होल्ड योर ब्रीथ एंड बिल्ड अप द एनर्जी एंड जेंटली एज यू ब्रीथ आउट relax the body। I want you to become aware about the space your head is occupying in the space right now। Come on now, gently become aware about the space your neck and your head is occupying in the space right now। Very gently become aware about the space that your shoulders are occupying in the space right now। Become aware about the space your chest and abdomen are occupying in the space right now। And becoming aware about both the hands and your torso। आपकी कमर तक का आपका शरीर जो जगह को इस स्पेस में रोक रहा है उसके प्रति सजग हो जाएं। Become aware of the space your whole body is occupying in the space right now। become aware about the patterns that the old you is following. Just observe that right from this moment till this very moment, what all patterns was the old you following that restricted the energy towards your future. I want you to become aware of each and every moment, reaction, action, thought pattern, thinking process that the old you was experiencing. What were the limiting patterns that you were experiencing? What were the negative beliefs that you think were stopping you from becoming the new you? What were the negative emotions that were giving you anxiety in your body, physiological or physical? I want you to observe your past completely. Become aware about the patterns that you are following, which are limiting you. In context of the input that you are getting and the output that you are giving. And I want you to become aware about 3 things that you think you need to change these patterns. 3 prominent things that you need to change the patterns of the old you. Give enough time to think about 3 such deep-seated patterns that you feel you need to change in order to become the new you. And today I will command your subconscious with you to change this pattern. Very gently think about the first pattern that you need to change. And as you think about this pattern, listen to my sound. Change it now. Change it now. Change it now. I want you to repeat this, thinking about the first pattern that you need to change inside your own voice in your body. Think about the pattern. Tell your subconscious mind in your own voice, change it now. Change it now. Change it now. Again, thinking about the first pattern. Now I want you to tell these words externally so that you can hear them loud enough that you can hear them. I want you to think about the first pattern and now repeat. Change it now. Change it now. Change it now. And now see the new you. How it is working if this pattern is changed. I want you to observe the new you and how it is working with the change of this pattern. Create an image in VAK. See the benefits of leaving this first old pattern. I'm giving you 1 minute to see the benefits that the new you is getting by changing the first pattern that you wanted to be. See what all the new you is able to do, how the capacities and capabilities of new you have increased by changing this first pattern. How the new you is being able to overcome the limiting beliefs by changing this first pattern. How the new you's identity has been changed by changing this first limiting pattern. And henceforth, whenever the old you, the old pattern comes to your mind, internally there should be a sound inside you. Change it now. Now I want you to gently take your attention towards the second most annoying limiting pattern that the old you needs to change so that it can become the new you and create the new world around the new you. The second most prevalent limiting pattern, the old you has, that needs to be changed. Think about the pattern and listen to my sound. Change it now. Change it now. Change it now. Thinking about the second limiting pattern, I want you to speak these words inside your head, resonating in the highest pitch of your sound inside your head. Thinking about the second most limiting pattern and how it is restricting you from becoming the new you that you need to become. Thinking about it? Now speak inside you in your own sound, high tonality and high pitch. Change it now. Change it now. Change it now. See the effect of the pattern reducing on your behavior and how it is defining you. And now, thinking about the second limiting pattern, I want you to speak from your mouth so that you can listen in your own sound. Thinking about the second pattern and instructing your subconscious to stop following that pattern. Say from your own mouth. Change it now. Speak it loud. Change it now. Change it now. And now I want you to see the new you who is free from this second self-sabotaging limiting pattern and how the new you has changed by changing this pattern. See what all benefits the new you is achieving by changing this second most prominent limiting pattern. And see what the new you is becoming if it overcomes the second most prominent limiting pattern. Create the image of the new you, breaking the old pattern and going into the new pattern. This is where we are doing the actual subconscious re-imprinting. This is where we are changing the submodalities from the new you and the limiting patterns, from the old you and the limiting patterns to the new you and the more resourceful patterns that you want in order to become the new you. Leave the old you behind. Leave the patterns behind. Leave the unresourceful excuses behind. And merge yourself as a new you now. See the benefits that the new you is getting by changing the old limiting pattern 1 and the old limiting pattern 2. And now gently I want you to identify the third pattern also, that is the most prominent limiting pattern that is stopping you from becoming the new you. I want you to very gently, very calmly, without any reactions, think about the third most prominent limiting pattern that is stopping you from becoming the new you. Thinking about the pattern, you will listen my command now. Change it now. Change it now. Change it now. And see the neural connections of the old pattern breaking down, leaving behind the old patterns. Even though it might feel uncomfortable, unjust, but if it is restricting you from becoming the new you who is going to achieve the purpose and goal of the life that the new you has got, which is pulling your energy from the present and shifting it to the past. I want you to break that pattern and now listen this sound into your ears in your own voice in the highest pitch and tonality that you can listen. Thinking about the third most restricting, most prominent limiting pattern Repeat the sound. Let it echo inside, in between both your ears, in your complete head, in your own voice. Change it now. Change it now. Change it now. See the old pattern getting away from your state of mind. You are changing the way you process the information, and you are changing the way how your anchors and triggers related to this pattern work. I want you to break the triggers of the old pattern now and become your own commandant now. It's up to you now to react to the VAKOG of the old pattern, whether you want it to act as a switch in the trigger and anchor relationship, or whether you want to create a new anchor over here which is more resourceful for new you. Taking this decision, I want you to speak out loud, thinking about the third most prominent limiting pattern. Speak out loud and say your subconscious mind, change it now. Change it now. Change it now. And as you leave this third most prominent limiting pattern, see the new you who is operating away from the third most promising limiting pattern. See how the life of new you is changing as the old patterns are breaking. And now it is in the hands of the new you to create the new anchors and triggers related to these old patterns. See the benefits that the new you is enjoying by leaving the old patterns. See the life of the new you changing, taking control over the present moment. Becoming in charge of each and every reaction that you are producing in response to the stimuli that is coming inside. You are the master of your world. If you can control your relate, distort, generalize, filter, thereby taking charge of your state of mind and thereby voluntarily selecting the action or response that you can do. The new you is no more a robot working on some automatic anchors and triggers. The new you is that person which is now sitting in the cause point. And from this point onwards, whatever happens in your world will be caused by you, not an effect where you are responsible. And we definitely know that the meaning of the communication is the response you get. Change the meaning of the communication today, now onwards. If you are getting an unresourceful, unexpected response, that means the communication that you have done either verbally, non-verbally, physically, physiologically, was not the communication that you intended to do. Just become aware of the responses that you are getting and align yourself to get the responses that you want to get, not the responses that you get directly. You are the controller of your own state. It is you who is going to decide whether you have to respond or not the stimulus. The new you has become intelligent enough to decide where the new you wants to waste its energy and where it wants to utilize its energy in the present moment. And now I want you to create a picture of the new you and how it is behaving in the world now. Keeping complete control over anything and everything that is happening around you. And there, this is the point where you start manifesting what you actually want. I want you to see the benefits and the changing life of the new you and go to the future timeline at least 5 years from now and see if the new you has started behaving the way he wants to be. What is the life in next 5 years? And whether it is better than what you have done from last 5 years, or whether you see that you are more pathetic, whether you want to continue on the same path with the same limitations, with the same patterns, or whether you want to adapt the new patterns. Ask a permission from your neurology now. Are we ready to work on the new patterns, leaving the old patterns? Or are we more comfortable with the old patterns? What your neurology permits will change in your life, because the only thing that can change inside you is the permission from your critic. The dreamer is working since so many years. It is dreaming. The doer is doing something since so many years. But these both things are not in congruence. Today I want you to create complete congruence inside you. And now I'll give you 1 minute to think. अपने फ्यूचर टाइमलाइन को देखते हुए, अपने फ्यूचर टाइमलाइन पे अपने बिहेवियर को डे टू डे में देखते हुए कैसे दिन शुरू हो रहा है, किन चीजों से. There is no guilt, there is no regret, because these are your beliefs that give you guilt and regret. There is no compulsion, there is no hastiness, there is no worry, there is no loneliness, there is no guilt, there is no regret, there is no frustration, because now the life is going to go on your rules, not on the rules that the society has given you or the people around you have. And the new you is the you who will control the future world around you now. Thinking about the future you, very gently open your eyes.